Okay, in this presentation I will be demonstrating how to begin a PowerPoint slide and how to add design, insert pictures, insert data tables, and just the basics. So first you're going to open PowerPoint and click on a blank slide, which you will see blank presentation. You'll click on that and it will bring you to this. So first thing you'll probably want to do is come over to the right hand side, and they have multiple different design options for your PowerPoint, and then you can click down here to see more design options. And today I think we'll go with this one. So we will add this title, how to create a PowerPoint. So next you're going to want to come over here to the top left hand corner and click new slide. It will give you an option of all of these different slides to pick from. We will do to content. So in this one, we'll add a title called pictures. Then in here, you can insert pictures in a few different ways. You can go up here and click insert, and there will be a button called pictures. So you have 3 different options of what kind of pictures or where you want to pull your pictures from. You can either do it from your device you are using, from stock images, which are images that they will provide for you on PowerPoint, or you can look it up on the internet. We'll do one of each. Let's see. So you just click on the image that you want to insert and then adjust it to your liking. And then we'll do one from the stock images. Which are basically all the pictures that they provide. And we'll just click on this flower one. And again, it will pop up, and then you can adjust it to your liking, however big, how small. If you have text on the page, you can use these options to either bring that picture forward over the text or to put the text over top of the image. Next we will do the insert again, pictures, and online pictures. You can basically search anything that you would on the web to find a picture. So we'll type in cat. Then all these images of cats will come up. We'll do one of Garfield. This is a big one. So we'll adjust into our liking again. Can't quite get the cursor on the image for some reason. Because he's so big. Okay, I think well, this brings us to the next point. If you need to delete one of your images, you can go and you can double click it with your cursor and click, I don't know if you guys can see this, you're going to double click it and then click cut at the very top of the page. So that is how you cut a picture out. And also, this over here, you can also change the design of each individual slide that you have. If you go up to the top and click design, you can click these and it will change the layout yet again to that. So let's go ahead and insert a new slide. This one will do this. And this one will be inserting tables and charts. So to insert a table or chart, you again go to the Insert tab at the very top. You want to go to this little thing called Table. And this one, you can add as many rows or columns as you need or as you wish. We'll just do a small little one for now. And then to go into that table, you just have to click on, put your cursor on inside the row and type in the information you need. And then go down to the next one and do it again. And yeah, you can change, go up here and you can change the color of the table, the amount of shading on it, the color of shading through each of the rows and columns. You can change what kind of border they have if you don't want any border. And there's some cool effects if you want it to go to like 3D or yeah. There's a lot of things you can play with on this to get it to how you would like it. Okay. Next we'll do some transitions. So in PowerPoint you always see how they transition into cool different ones like morph, fade. You just want to go to the tab at the top called transitions and you can go through and look at all of them to see which one you want to use. And yeah, that is pretty much the basics on PowerPoint. There are probably a few more little details to go through, but this should help you get started with any PowerPoint you really need.